Hello everyone, very well, and welcome to the world of these printed candles on a chart, which might make sense to someone and to someone might make not, where you see different patterns and all the rest of the price action. So there are different types of pullbacks, guys, but the one that I like the most is actually the ABC because it makes more sense for me. Okay, so we will discuss other types of pullback in some other videos, but for example, if we go here, okay, I don't see much, and we are on the daily now. I've just chosen this pair, but I could have chosen someone else. Sometimes USD CAD is a bit difficult for beginners, so sometimes it does not help really putting the line chart, so you might as well have to get your eyes very much trained. For example, I see an ABC here, all right, where you would take normally, it could be sometimes the breakout here and the shake at C, but let me actually introduce you to first what I would like to say. For example, if you see something like that here, guys, on the weekly, it does like that. It's already a strong move up, and then it goes down a couple of candles. Probably on the daily, you would see something like this, okay? You would see this A, B, C, right? Let me actually put letters. And it will be exactly this point. I mean, not exactly, but we have to see what price action is going there. After we see a candle rejection and everything, we never take a trade here, that we could have a chance for our pullback to continue after it's done this double leg pullback. And sometimes can be complex, can be a bit longer than this, which will be like two joined zigzag. So on a weekly, it could do this, only one candle, and then again you would see this type of shapes, ABC, okay, and again here you would look for an opportunity, not exactly here, let just go on the H4 or H1, 60 minutes to look for a trade, and in reverse it will be strong move down, ABC, and again like that, okay. Possible direction down. And guys, it's easy to say, but you need experience in this, and but as usual, the practice will make you better and better. As soon as you start to spot them, you will be enthusiastic. I can guarantee you will have fun with it. And obviously, as usual, is lots of backtest. Now let's go on some charts, and I want to illustrate just a couple of them as a start, and then I will possibly introduce you to more tips and tricks. And when you go on charts, guys, you'll have to notice also the small candles. They make sense, but more on 60-minute, 15 minutes time frame, even the 30 minutes. Because before in the past, I always wanted to see like a big pullback. Like, I wanted to see pullback 5, 6, 10 candles. Oh, that's like a good pullback for me. And then another pullback here, okay. Or maybe the pair was going down. I didn't pay attention to these candles. And obviously because the price is strong, so it doesn't give you chance. So I wanted to see something like a bit more clean. Let's say like something like that, or maybe double top. I would consider those, but also in the candle in the middle there is some chances. Now if we proceed, guys, then as I said before, on the big charts we start to see some move like that, and you say, oh, could this possibly be the ABC here? We don't know yet. So but could the price go back 21 even? Maybe. I just want to check on the H4 what's going on and see if I get the right shape of it. We see double top here. You would take this, the second one. This was like an inducement. Let me see if you get that. Is this going to be our possible C? I don't know. I just leave it there. So what's going on here? The MACD looks like it's still... He hasn't touched those... the lines are down, but he hasn't touched the histogram. That's the way I use it. Then I would go on the H1 and you would say, okay, what's going on? This is shallow C, guys. Okay, he's not done a deep retracement, so that means the trend looks like it's got some intention to go up. Now in the past I used to put a market order, then obviously I went a bit with caution because I would like to wait always for a retrace and buy or sell with a limit. So if we would proceed a bit more, we try to see what we get here, and I see there's a strong candle there, could I possibly take a trade there, because I would like for a retrace there, but the pair looks quite strong. I could do market order, I don't know, I could just put like that, targeting the break of B, and possible going on the H4, targeting, what is this, what this could be like a cluster of the block here. not really exactly that. Yeah, I mean, it's just an area, wide area, guys, where it could go there, but roughly I think the take profit is there. Then obviously on the real chart it will be a different thing, because you can actually make a bit more sense when you look at real time what's going on. So let's say that I want to do that now. Okay, gets me failed barely. See, guys, because the trend was quite strong, but you never know. This now might go down and then go back up. You don't know. I just don't move the stop loss now. I mean, I would move it now 75%. I want to let the edge play. Look at that. See what happens, guys. So 1 second, because if we had moved the stop loss, then would have been a bit of a problem. Right. Okay. So eventually reached the B. Now, guys, we have to see. Okay. The trend was, let's get rid of this. It's done its work. The trend here started to become quite good. Okay, did an accumulation with a shakedown. That's what I talk most of the time. Accumulation with shakedown. Then I high, low, I high, low, and then strongly breakout up. Now after he does this breakout on the way up, what he's going to do? Is he going to go down to gather more liquidity? Possibly, but if not, not. And it didn't. Well done. Right, I want to show you now, another pair, so just to consolidate our knowledge about ABC. And yes, let's look at this pair now. This could have been anything, guys. For example, do you see here? This also resembles like, what is it? ABC. All right, people would go here, would go in the H4 and see what's going on here. Probably they see a retrace here. Okay, maybe a little basic structure of a reversal, and then see, shakeout here would take. I decided to take this. So could this have the shape of our ABC with the bouncing off 21 EMA? Possibly yes. Let's go in the H4. Let's see what we get there. This was the swing before. So this little double top, you consider obviously this, because this made the higher. So A, B, taking account all this, and then C. Is it actually C or no? What's the MACD? MACD is still down. However, the uptrend is still up, as we can see. And this possibly could be one of those pullback that we would like to see. Sorry, let me check one more thing. Okay, bounced off 21 EMA. Yes, said that. And here, what do I see here? I see some candles. See basic structure here. All right, I would go on the H1 and you start to see what's going on. Right, so I would say now this, let's play a bit more. Let's play a bit more. Okay, guys, so what he's doing here is like a little base. I probably would see that if he breaks this, could take an entry here. Otherwise, I could just put an order. Let's prepare it, where I could see some candles there. See, let's go up a bit more, and we actually see that the MACD is started to go up. I would say, guys, since the move is quite strong and this shake at C here, we look on the H1, but if we go in the 30 minutes, probably we will see, obviously we will see more swings in there. So I would say, look, if I put it here, now this is broken quite strong, is above the 21 EMA. I would say, let me see, I would just probably put it there, and then stop loss, I don't know, just be there really, targeting the B or targeting the whole structure. Okay, guys, if we take the whole structure, something like that, just now for the sake of example, you will be much more relaxed when you will be on charts and will see the candles forming one by one. As I said, guys, if you got two orders, put it there. Otherwise, you could put it here, okay? But for now, let's say that we put it there, and once he gets there, if we collect the profit, is fine. If not, can do candle trailer. All right, guys, candle trailer. So we do that. Looks like, all right, okay. Oh, barely filled, almost bare filled. You never know. This could still go down and probably get here. Obviously, I don't even think about moving the stop loss now, which could be now at break even of 75%. On that, we could actually watch this price action now on the 4-hour chart, and we see that you see, guys, what he's done. Actually, sorry, let me go back on the look what he's doing here, guys. Okay, strong move down. Okay, some inefficiency, then he went up, sort of V-reversal, shake down, formed the base and went up. So it was quite obvious to put an entry there. Actually, yeah, I wanted to go a bit higher because I was doubting that I would get filled, but it's fine. Let's go in the H4, the break of B. Now we have taken a sort of wholesale entry. You see these little candles, guys, this really matters. Okay, so let's move forward. And we see that not only B has been broken, but guys, look what he does at B. Before B, he goes up, all right? Shake down. All the people who had orders here been deleted. Then base and go up. This is what I want to see. I want to see a sort of triangle like that. Okay, sometimes can do some kind of a Darvas box, but that's another thing. So let's say the target is reached now, but not only is broken B, but also it's broken this. Now, what would you expect? Would go down and collect some more liquidity? Possibly. If he really decides to go up, then, you know, it's not our concern anymore because we are okay now. So, guys, this is just to show you how this ABC pattern can work, and there is lots of variation, and it takes lots of backtest and a lot of attention in the beginning, and once you get good at it, you will be able to spot them everywhere. Okay, guys, then you just have to get used to the variation. All right, so we can have sometimes an ABC, well, most of the times ABC like that. Okay, so ABC with a shake at C, C point goes lower than the B point, or we can have sometimes like that, strong move down, then down, that does this A, B, and C, which could be equal. Okay, equal, and again goes up, and some of the times the move stops there. A, B, C, the C comes here, so this is the shallow C, all right, and then it goes up. So there are different variations. I hope I've helped someone to understand better this pattern, and I'm sure there will be some other occasions to deliver more content for you guys. If you like the video, please click on the like, and that will make you do even more video for you. Okay, thank you very much wherever you are in the world. Take care.